Hello there. You probably already know that I'm Chloe. I just wanted to introduce you to the portal. It's a really vitally important part of the project and how we work together and with any other people involved in the project. So just thought it's worth talking it through with you. So I'm just going to put myself over here, smaller. So when you first get to the portal, you'll see this is the client space and where you log in. So I will have already set you up with a password for your email address, and you just check that you're on Studio and you just go to sign in. Now once you're in, you'll be able to see your project. You'll be able to see any latest messages from myself or anyone else involved in the project. So the first thing I need you to do is go to contract, and in here is a fee proposal which describes all the stages for your project, and then it goes into the hourly rate and the terms and conditions, about things I might be buying on your behalf or things you might be buying, and just covering health and safety and my being a member of the BIID. So go through this really carefully. If there's any questions at all, please do let me know. You can obviously ring, but there's also open messages up here if you want to write anything specifically about the contract. When you're happy, please can you generate a PDF up here so you've got your own printed hard copy. But also when you go down here and accept contract, that will then fix the contract within the portal. It's uneditable and it's fixed and sitting there as a formal document. Now the next thing I'd really like you to do, if you haven't already done it, if I haven't already given you a questionnaire to fill in, then the questionnaire will be here on the portal for you to complete. There might be questions in here that aren't entirely relevant, but just answer as much as you can, because this time put into the intake form is really going to help the project as a whole. So there's things in here about timings, budgets, materials, all sorts of things, and it's really valuable, and I hope you'll value that as well. So as the project progresses, things will be gathering in these areas over here on the left. So by area, let's go in entrance as an example. I'll be uploading my own photos in the before. If you want to add any in, then please do. Everything helps. There's also an area where you can upload your architect's survey, which is something I need to get going on the project. There's an area for inspiration images. So upload anything that you found along the way here. If you can scan it, copy it on your phone, screenshots. If you're using Pinterest, you could even screenshot your Pinterest board, or just simply let me have access to your Pinterest board and we can use that to share. And then as the project progresses, we can put in some during photos, after photos, so they will all go in there. The mood board. So as products are brought to suggest to you, I'll gather them in the mood board and I'll let you know when they're ready to view. But you can see here they're kind of layered and sitting there, quite simple layout. And at the bottom is a legend just describing each of the items with a corresponding number. So these products will also go into this product tab as well. And within here, there's much more detail. There's where you can purchase it from, any specifications, any quantities. It will start totting up quantities over here on the right. all the prices quoted are without VAT. So as you go through, just kind of use this to review. If you're happy with the products shown, you can either accept them individually as you go down, or you can university approve the list that's in front of you. If there's any feedback, which is, a quick way of doing it, is to go to the flag and then go down to other. And there you can actually sort of type in some kind of feedback for what you do or don't like about it, and then revise product. So every time you need to kind of go back up, everything is over here on the left. So if you do have any queries or any messages you want to communicate to either myself directly or to the team, you can go to Open Messages. Here's where you select whether it's to the group or if it's direct. And then if it's to the group, it's good. If it relates to a specific area, then click on the area over here and write your message here and send it. It would be great to keep everything within the portal if possible, because it just keeps everything easy to cover and to monitor, so that everyone's informed. As the project progresses, the drawing pack will be produced ready for review. So if you go into drawing pack and then deliverables, it's sat there. So there will be a drawing for every layer of your building, from your furniture layout to your lighting to small power, decoration, shop front, if there's a shop front, any signage, any bespoke items, flooring, it's all going to be here. So as they gather in, they're ready to approve, and if you can approve, the approve tab is over here on the right. If you have any questions at all, please use the Open Messages. So these are all PDFs which you can then save on your computer locally, print out. I can get full-size prints done for you. Down at the bottom will be a drawing issue sheet. So this sheet monitors all the itemised drawings for your project. It also monitors the issuing of them, so the date that they were issued and who they were issued to. So if it's across, it means it's an electronic issue and uploaded onto here. If it's HD, it means it's a hard copy. And that's about all really. So hopefully you'll find this simple to use. This is going to speed up things enormously to have everything within this portal. So I hope you find it useful as well. But please do shout if you need any guidance through it. And thank you very much for listening.